What is active meditation? This is what people usually keep asking me. Well, active meditations are guided meditations which involve stages of physical activity, which might be even intense also sometimes, accompanied by music. So, why active meditation? Most of us find it difficult to sit silently in meditation, isn't it? Why? Because there is a lot of unwanted junk within us. This junk might be in the form of anger, sadness, our tensions, anxieties, and the list goes on. So, this junk is actually preventing us from sitting silently in meditation. Active meditation begins with movements, and thereby it helps us in cleansing these junk which is residing within us. And as we start getting cleansed, we tend to become fresh and innocent like a child. So, this innocence is what helps us to sit silently at least for a few minutes. Now, as we keep doing these meditations regularly, the inner cleansing starts getting deeper. As we start getting cleansed more and more, the layers of this junk also starts getting cleared. And thereby, the quality of life tends to become more beautiful. One tends to become more relaxed, playful, and we are able to connect with our own selves. So, active meditations are designed in such a way that they help to clear the pent up energy within the body and also break through these mental barriers so that one can attain inner peace. It helps us to purify and transform ourselves over a period of time. These powerful techniques can be incorporated into our daily life. They are powerful but very simple. Different meditations are recommended for different times of the day. Say, for example, in morning we have morning meditation, and evening meditation, and night meditation as well. All these are guided, small but powerful techniques. There are some meditations which can be done throughout the day. For example, laughter meditation.
Only singles are laughing.
It is an energetic approach to self-discovery. So now let's look at how to use these meditations in our daily life. Infuse meditation into everyday activities, whether you're walking, cleaning, driving, working. You can bring awareness to your movements and also your breath. Let each action of yours become a meditation, grounding you in the present moment. These meditations are a potent way to refresh your mind, boost energy, and tap into your inner reservoir of creativity. These gentle practices involve humming, hand movements, and silent witnessing. It helps to harmonize mind and body, thus paving the way for deep relaxation and restful sleep. As you integrate active meditations into your daily life, remember that consistency is the key. One should embrace and practice any technique with an open heart and a playful spirit. Allow yourselves to experience the transformative power of meditation, enriching every moment with awareness, joy, and inner peace. So now let's hear what our participants had to say in one of our amazing sessions of self-discovery and inner exploration.
I came from Esarghatta. It is very useful program. I am also went to so many programs, but this is from within 3 hours, 4 hours we get our just like after the program we feel just like our mind will be just like newborn baby mind setup, like that mind setup is there. It is very good programs. Even though it is very beginners, I am also hesitate to come first. I think what they are going it is normal only. But when come and it practically you have to come and you have to see. But simply reading in the books we cannot get this gain is knowledge. Just like your mind become very freshness, just like a newborn. So it is very useful for one day you come for one day programs. It will be neutralization for more than 1 month, 2 months. You have energetic energy will be there. It is very useful program.
ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ತಳಮಳಗಳು ಏನು ಈ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂತ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು 24 ಗಂಟೆನೂ ಸಹ ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ಈ ಋಷಿಮುನಿಗಳು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿಯವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮುದ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಲಗಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಇದು ಉಪಯೋಗಕರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
We wish that you continue your active meditations process consistently, and these practices will help you bring fulfillment in your life. Feel free to share this video with people whom you feel will tend to gain from these practices. And do not forget to subscribe to Dream 100 Business Show channel, and do share in the comment box about the kind of videos that you would like to see in future. We will work upon these videos and make it available for you. Thank you so much for joining in, and do tend to share, like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much.